Every roof type comes with its own challenges. Flat roofs collect water, gravel roofs become difficult to maintain, metal roofs fail at seams and fasteners, portable classrooms continue aging long after they were meant to be temporary. But no matter the roof type, facility managers and building owners continue to deal with the same problems. Recurring leaks, ongoing repairs, rising maintenance costs, and constant disruptions every time it rains. Most roofing systems are built with seams, joints, and transitions that eventually become weak places where water gets in. WeatherWeld was built differently. For over 35 years, WeatherWeld has helped schools, public agencies, commercial facilities, and building owners eliminate recurring roof leaks across common roof types. WeatherWeld combines long strand fiberglass with a durable ceramic asphalt material to create a seamless roofing surface designed to keep water out long term. Instead of layering materials together with exposed seams and weak points, WeatherWeld forms a continuous, reinforced, seamless barrier across the entire roof, eliminating places where leaks start. WeatherWeld can encapsulate many existing roof types without the cost and disruption of a full tear-off. When a tear-off is required, WeatherWeld can also be installed as a new roof. From aging flat roofs and gravel roofs to metal roofing, portable classrooms, and new construction, WeatherWeld was designed to stop the cycle of recurring roof problems. Schedule your free roof inspection. It's the first step toward eliminating roof leaks for a lifetime.